everyone, welcome back. It's Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. I am lounging in my daughter's new and improved bedroom. I can't wait to show you what little changes we made to update this space. Stay tuned. Partnering with Lamps Plus for this makeover, and one of the things that we wanted to accomplish was to elevate and update the room just a little bit. Her favorite color is still a light purple or lavender, so we continued to work with that color scheme. Other things we wanted to fix were the lighting, a desk makeover, a bigger mirror, and a cozy place to sit and work. Here's where we stood a couple of months ago. Not awful, but not great. Eleanor is home for distance learning 3 days of the week, so that big, deep love seat in the corner is a great addition. We paired it with 2 round pink ottomans, and it's really the perfect little sweet nook in which she can set up shop. Laptop on the ottoman, book in her lap, blanket over her shoulders. She takes full advantage of school in her bedroom. Notice the amazing purple lamp. Lamps Plus has lamps in almost every shade of the rainbow, so naturally we took advantage and snagged a lovely lavender one. That side table that it's sitting on is thrifted, and Eleanor wanted to keep it, but at least now she has a little more light for when she sits and works. We did bring in a new nightstand, however, and it is so sweet over by her bed. She said she didn't really need one for much more than a book or a glass of water, so we didn't want anything that would take up too much room. I also love that this side table could work elsewhere in the house one day because of its clean lines and the chic brass feet. Do you notice anything different over the bed? I hung these plug-in sconces and she loves them. You'll notice that where Eleanor's bed sits in the room, there's not really enough space on either side for nightstands. So obviously we have that one nightstand, but I wanted to bring in some reading lights for her because all she does is read. And so mounting them onto the wall is one of my space-saving hacks. You can just get a plug-in pendant, you mount it to the wall, and voila! She has 2 cute lights that she can use when she's sitting in bed. While I'm on the topic of lighting, Eleanor's room has an overhead light fixture, but it was a dreaded boob light. Builder grade and basic. No fun. So she looked through the flush mount light options on Lamps Plus and fell in love with this sweet, whimsical one with branches and crystals. And I have to agree with her. The magical look of it is just perfect for this space. Another easy but major improvement. Let's talk about this desk a little bit, shall we? We bought this desk for Eleanor years ago and she helped me paint it, and she didn't really want to get rid of it. She said it fits all her stuff, and I think she just likes that it's this small little sweet desk that she's had for so long. But it did need a bit of a makeover. We were dealing with some spilled paint. It just looked a little bit beat up. So I started by sanding it down and I repainted it with a fun mod pattern. I have a full tutorial on my blog that I will link to in the video description. Because it's a small desk, finding the right desk chair has been a little bit of a challenge. Most were too wide. Thankfully, one of those pink ottomans works perfectly. So when she does decide to work at her desk, she can just slide it over and it doubles as a desk chair. So the last item Eleanor wanted was a bigger mirror. This rattan mirror over her thrifted dresser is gorgeous. It is a great size. That texture keeps the room from being a little bit too cutesy in my opinion, and she loves it. Honestly, so do I. Needless to say, when you walk into Eleanor's room now, it still feels like the old space, but it is way better. Even though she is in middle school and she has some more grown-up tastes, she also still loves things like butterflies and her lavender. So I wanted to make sure that we kept some of those kind of more little girl details, but also brought in more grown-up things like a bigger, more mature mirror and lighting. So hopefully we struck the right balance. I know she spends a lot of time in here and she seems to love it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you click that little bell icon, you will get notified whenever I get around to posting videos in the future. I'd love you to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Have a great day, everyone.